Risk analysis for constructing a low-cost housing settlement at the rural area in Malaysia. So that is our title for the risk management case studies for BMIG 3213 for economy, engineering and management. So our group member, Muzaffar, is Fakhruddin bin Zamri. Second one is Ahmad Akmal bin Hardi. Third one is Muhammad Luqman bin Muhammad Nurani. And fourth, Daim Muhammad Ikmal bin Daim Muhammad Najib. And the last one is Muhammad Fahid Hamizi bin Jamal.
Next will be the introduction and background analysis. First, the purpose of building low-cost housing settlements in rural Malaysia is to provide affordable housing, improve the standard of living, and promote socio-economic growth. Next will be the key risks to manage include financial issues, construction delays and quality, environmental impact, community resistance, maintenance problem, economic sustainability, regulatory compliance, and political instability. Next will be the building and sustainability of affordable housing in rural Malaysia face several issues. First is infrastructure deficit, economic constraint, environmental concerns, and regulatory and bureaucratic obstacle. Next will be the SWOT analysis. First is strengths, government supports, community benefits, and land availability. Next will be the weakness, which is infrastructure gaps, resource constraints, and maintenance challenges. Next will be the opportunities, economic development, sustainable building practice, and community involvement. The last is the threats, environmental risk, regulatory delays, and financial risk. Yes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fakhruddin bin Zamri. Today I will present about risk identification and risk register. So we have 6 risk identification, which is environmental risk, financial risk, operational risk, legal and regulatory, social risk, and technological risk. So there are two type of for the each of risk, which is for the environmental, natural disaster, and climate change impact. For the financial risk, funding challenges, budget overruns. For the operational risk, infrastructure deficiencies, resources and labor shortage, quality control issues. For the legal and regulatory, risk permit and approval delays, compliance with local building codes and regulation. For the second last is social risk, which is community resistance and social integration challenges. And lastly, technological risk, we have use of outdated construction techniques and inadequate adoption of sustainable practice. So this is our risk register. As you can see, for the risk impact for natural disaster is 3.5, which is our impact is 5 times by probability 70%. For the funding challenges, the risk is 4. Next, for the infrastructure deficiencies, the risk we get is 3.16. For the permit and approval delays, the risk we get 3. Second last, community resistance, we get 2.4. And lastly, outdated construction technique, we get 2.7. So that is our risk register.
Okay, for probability and impact analysis, we have 2 assessments, which is probability and impact assessment. So in probability assessment, we have high probability, which is regulatory delays and inadequate infrastructure. For medium probability, we have financial difficulties and natural disaster. And for low probability, we have community resistance and outdated construction practices. For impact assessment, we have high impact, which is financial difficulties and natural disaster. For medium impact, we have infrastructure flaws and regulatory delays. And for low impact, we have managed community pushback. So for risk matrix and quantitative analysis, we have made 2 tables. For risk matrix, we have impact/probability table. We have high impact to low and probability to low and high. So in the mid section, we have medium and high. We have natural disaster, permit and approval and delays. For medium and medium, we have infrastructure deficiencies. And for medium and low, we have community resistant, outdated construction techniques. And for high probability and high impact, we have funding challenges. So let's move on to the quantitative analysis table. So we estimated the impact for potential budget overrun is around 1 million to 2 million ringgit. And for expected project delay, our estimated impact, which is around 1 million to 3 million ringgit.
Okay, this is our conclusion and suggestion. Building affordable housing in rural Malaysia involves several risks. Effective risk management is crucial for the project success and longevity. Our suggestion is: first, conduct site survey to avoid environmental risk. Second, engage early with authorities to streamline regulations. Next, secure business funding source for the financial stability. Develop infrastructure in place to control costs. Involve the community early to get support. Lastly, use sustainable building practice and train workers. Thank you.